Today we shall be unboxing the Dyson ball animal. Just a Dyson ball. This is the box it comes in. You get 5 years warranty with La John Lewis. So let's give it a little snip up on the top here. Go down the side. One more. Oops. Let's pop it open. There we go. Let's open it. Oh, Malaysia. Yeah, let's have a look what we got inside. Ooh, we got all these fancy bits. Let's see what's under this box. So, we've got something in here. Ooh. Wow. Very heavy. Oops. This is the stick. Put that down. Other bits we've got. Oops. Now we've got it out finally. Let's not drop it. This is the Dyson ball. So we go left. Let's assemble it. Now let's see what we got in here. Open this up. That pops open. Oh. This is the head. Animal multi-ball. Hair removal bands. Let's flip it around. This is the spinny wheel. That's gonna attach on the front here. And we've got a pipe. So let's get to assembling this. This is the other attachment that you get. And you get this. So let's lay it all out. So let's see. This is the lovely handlebar you get. Ergonomic for the thumb. And what's it called? Telescopic handle. So this is what we get with our Dyson ball. Very fancy. Here we got the drum. I believe it's got a 2.2 litre capacity. We've got one head for carpets, floors. It's got a C rating for carpets and an A for the hardwood floor. A telescopic handle for pet vacuum hair. This is for horse hair. And this is for your corners. Got this as well. Now let's get to assembling. So if I'm correct, it goes in like this through the hole. There we go. Insert it in. Maybe turn it around. I'll be back. I figured it out. And just click it in. There we go. And just put it back in. You twist. There we go. Once it's twisted, turn the handle. We should get it in. So I figured it out. All we do is grab this bit and then we just shove it in and it clicks in. I've got a little cap. Just push that down. It was up like this earlier. Done. Now let's add this. cylinder. We need to align it into this hole and the second hole. There we go. So we got that, and that's aligned there, and it should just be a simple clicking. Boom. Oh, look, it's at a right angle. Oh, no wonder. Now, all we do is this. So just click it. There we go. Boom. Whoops. There we go. There we go, guys. The Dyson Up 34 animal ball. Now let's plug it in. Now that we got it plugged in and all set up, let's take a closer look. Ooh, it looks very fancy and nice. Nice and shiny. Now, let's make a little mess. And test out the hoover. Wow. So we're just pushing the dirt. So it's not good for carpets, clearly. So let's change the setting on here. And now let's see how it does. Oh my gosh, that is some ultimate suction power. Ah! Oh my gosh, that is too powerful. Let's leave it in this mode. Ah! Oh my gosh, the suction is ridiculous. No, he's gonna kill the carpet. Let me try to save the carpet. Ah. Yeah, this is one powerful beast, guys. Okay, now let's go around the house. Ah! Really good. Sucks up all the dirt. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked my unboxing video of the Dyson Ball Animal Up 34 on John Lewis. I believe we bought for 385 quid. And now we got our handles. It's actually a very good machine. This is. It's not too bad at all. And we got, looks like, oh, and we get this as well. So, I wonder where we will clip this on. Go this way? No, this way. There we go. Now it's on. Let's do one more test. Oh, let's see. Left handle. As you guys can see, right here we got a 90-degree twist. So it's actually quite good. And even this twists and turns as well, which is brilliant. With the Dyson ball. Look how easy it is. Unclips. It is amazing, guys. absolutely amazing. Woo. Let's turn it on to super suction mode. Woo. Wow, the power on this. Spectacular. Doo -doo -doo -doo. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I would recommend this. It is so powerful. It's so good. It looks classy as well. Handle feels elegant in the hand. It's just such a nice device. Perfect. I've got the handheld Dyson Hoover, but the batteries, they tend to die out on these. And it's quite handy. You get all these little attachments. I believe this is for your vehicle or horses. Or some of the ladies can dry their hair with this if they like. And then got this. So let's see how quick it is. Now let's see how quick this is. Should take out. Ooh. Wow. Oh, that's what this 90 degrees thing is for. It's for the handlebar. It stretches out quite a bit. You see this? Now let's do the vacuum, pet vacuum. Let's plug that in. Let's go. There we go. Oh wow, looks very fancy this. Little mini attachment. Now let's turn it on. Anyway guys, this has been your unboxing and startup tutorial of your Dyson board. I will use this for a week or two and I'll give you a more in-depth review guys. See you next time at UK Tech Warehouse. Ciao!